Summerwood home with a screen-enclosed pool. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath beauty features an open floor plan, raised ceilings, split bedrooms, plant shelves, more than ample storage, and a 2-car garage. You can access the lanai and pool area from the master suite, the kitchen area and the second bath. The backyard is privacy fenced, which is ideal for the 4-legged family members. The Summerwood community is popular with families with sidewalks all around and the proximity to Pier Park and the sports complex at Frank Brown Park. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.